Hi everyone, welcome to Zenia's Sketch, and today I'm taking you with me to the Penang, a beautiful place full of history, culture and amazing art, and today we're gonna be sketching one of the houses in the Georgetown of Penang. As you know, Penang is located in Malaysia, and Penang has really rich history dating back to the 18th century. It's a melting pot of cultures with Malay, Chinese, Indian and European influences, and I love sketching here because there's so much to capture. One of my favorite spots is Georgetown, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The streets are covered with colorful murals and street art that tells the stories of Penang past and present. And today Chinese New Year is just around the corner, and Penang is buzzing with the festive decoration and celebrations. From beautiful lantern display to lion dances, the energy here is amazing, just incredible. The people in Penang are super friendly and welcoming, and their dedication to preserving tradition is so inspiring, and sketching the celebrations and sketching their heritage is a great way to appreciate their culture, and it's some of really important things to me. And living and creating in Penang has been an amazing experience.
It's kind of older one since 1973.
I hope sketching with me will inspire you to explore and appreciate the cultural treasures in your own place. And if you want to see the full process of this sketch, you're gonna check up. You can subscribe, like, and then check up for the next video. The next video is gonna be the full version. It would be a tutorial of this urban sketch. Thank you for joining me today, and happy urban sketching to all of you whenever you are, and see you next time.